activated warning of impact hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at time every Wednesday between 11 and noon. It's severe weather threat area near the normal test time. Tests post held until the first weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watching warnings, what statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter. For exact coverage areas, check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled program. At 11 a.m. at the Rochester International Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point 51, and the relative humidity 52%. The wind was northwest at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 18. The pressure was 29.92 inches and steady. It was 70 at Dodge Center. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 70 at Austin, 70 at Owatonna, and 70 at Red Wing. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 68 at Albert Lea, and 61 at Preston. At Winona, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 61. Elsewhere across the region.
Okay, let's review what videos went off. The 210 went off. The G-Storm went off.
An hour.
Let's set that back to get you ready. The G-Storm went off. Going to turn off the alert. Hey, the 996 went off. The 74-200 went off. The 250. The okay, the 247 B went off. Camera, focus, camera. The 240 went off.
Light winds.
The 74-210 went off. Camera, phone. Just don't like this phone. The ER10 went off. Same with the ER50. The 74-140 went off. The WX67, the 100 went off. All the 120s went off. Okay. The 249 went off. Which is no longer my dad's, because I gave them a 120. The Recom I-1630 went off. As I said, all the 120s went off. I think this went off. The light Westinghouse one. I can't remember the model number. Okay, the 400 went off. The CK Boyer 2000 went off. The 400 went off. No, why? The C100. I meant the 300 did not go off because it has a dead weather tuner. And that's the weekly for, and especially summer for me now. It's officially summer for me now. Now because it's weekly for June 8th. Now make sure to follow me on Instagram at Wyatt EAS fan. And at Twitter, I have updated my, gone back to my old Twitter account, EAS_Wyatt. And if you ever do want to message me on Discord, I'm at Wyatt EAS fan 8881. The hashtag 8081. Not the previous numbers I said. Okay, now I'm going to weekly for this week. make sure to like if you like this video. And subscribe if you like content like this. Now, bye.